How to change your name in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you want to update the name on your Phemex account, then it is super easy. First of all, launch open the Phemex application on your device. If you want to change the name on your Phemex account, it is important to know that your verified identity name cannot normally be changed after completing identity verification. If you simply want to update your nickname or display name, you can do it right away. First of all, launch open the Phemex app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Now on the next page, tap on your email address on the top or your current name at the top, and you'll see the nickname tab on the next page. Tap the pencil button right next to nickname and enter a new nickname in the text box. Once you are done, click confirm, and that way you will be able to change your nickname or your display name in the app. It is usually quick and easy through your profile settings. However, if you are trying to change your verified legal name, then you'll need to contact Phemex support, as identity information cannot typically be edited directly after verification. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.